Okay, everybody, welcome back to Noah's Adventures on Legacy Farm, and today is observing what happened last night and yesterday. We are just walking around seeing whatever. The wind picked up a lot last night, and then it kind of calmed down again, and you could just hear all the branches and sticks and stuff from that tree just falling on the house. Oh, piece of siding. Yeah, thankfully. This is just from my old fort panels. It even blew my bird feeder over. They didn't crack it though, so that's good. There's branches everywhere. But it is still a bit breezy, but it is, woo, it's cold. It is like 41 right now. It's way different from yesterday, way colder. Whew. Just walking around seeing what you can see. Oh my god. It destroyed this. Oh, look at that. That shows the power of the wind. That was just starting to tear a little bit. Now it's like completely exposed. We need to probably dump it in our whatever you call it. Stuff. These up here. Looks like the cows are out of hay, so of course they are fussy. Very fussy. This is crazy. There they are, staring at us. Ridiculous things. Let's take a walk around the house, see what's back there. After I put my bird feeder. Good bird. Good bit of bird seed though. Not too much. I was thinking it's gonna be like empty. Let's put that one back up. The sun's out, which is nice. Helps it not be as cold. It's still pretty cold. Gutters blew everywhere. Yeah, I went to bed pretty late last night, like 9:30, and it was blowing. It just was gusts. They were so strong. It's hard to describe. Gusts. And look at this. But the gusts, there's just so much. And also last night we had to call the power company because when the power line would blow against the trees back here, like where it's touching the trees, it would spark. We first thought it was like eyes or something, but it was sparks, which is kind of weird. So of course we called the power company, and they said they're gonna come send a truck out and see what's up, but not a truck. Not yet, at least. It's a big branch hanging over the tree right there. Very large. I don't see much from this tree here. I think it's all on the house roof. I'll probably be sure to do a video of us getting on the roof to clean all this mess up. Yeah. But there's a lot of branches up there, because you can just hear boom, bam, psh, boom. It's noisy. Really noisy. Yeah, in my opinion, the wind got worse. Like while I was still awake, and then like around 2:45 when I woke up, it wasn't that bad. So So, yeah. It dried off all that rain we got yesterday though, which is pretty funny. Shoot, look at that. It even blew our sign solar light off. Okay, this is some more force of the wind. Look at this. This wind was so strong, it made this light go straight up instead of pointed down. And that's a pretty good light. Heavy. Pretty beautiful day. Saturday, March the 4th. One day after the severe storms came through and went. Okay, so I am on a mission. Come on, Daisy. I am going to look for trees and stuff and anything that could have happened to the power line up the fence. So this is what I'm doing. Okay, we got some debris in the road. Did I pick that? Oh yeah, I need to pick this up. Stay, Daisy. Buckle. Sure, nobody's coming. Here. Stay. This up. So look on our side. This is our trees. Throw it over. Stay, Daisy. Cows are fussing at me. Help a little bit. Okay, so we got some cracked trees here. Not much, but some. There's a couple trees there cracked. Top of that one cracked off. So, I'm gonna open the gate so I can drive in here. And from here, looks like that Talkin Sukkah is a goner. Too bad. Really too bad. Head down to Dad's hunting sukkah. Named it the sukkah because it looks pretty cool like a sukkah. But heads up, it looks pretty rough. Oh no! Oh! It is gone. Smashed and cracked. And so bad. So, first look at the sukkah, looking pretty rough. Which ain't good. Hopefully we'll be able to repair it pretty good, but I don't know. Well, Whoa, that's a big branch. Lots of big branches down. Let's go up here.